A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. So students, in our today's class, we will continue workbook practice questions from chapter 8, that is fraction 1. Right. So in our last class, already I have started practice questions, that is from page number 21, where we have done some sums, right, related to the topic that we have learned from the chapter 8. Clear, children? I have given you some homework also. Now, today we will continue from question number 10. Right? But before starting our today's class, let's warm up what we have learned in previous class. Right? So, children, I have a question for you all. Compare the following like fractions. Like fractions. Okay. Number A, 11 by 18 and 2 by 18. Number B, 25 by 31 and 31 by 31. Now tell me, children, how you are going to compare? Yes? Two questions I have given you. Compare the following like fractions. As already we have learned how to compare like fractions. Yes or no? So how you are going to compare, children? Like fractions? Yes? Okay. Let me tell you again. Like fractions are what? Fractions having the same denominator are called like fraction. Yes? So what? In like fractions, denominators are same. So to compare the like fractions, what we have to see? We have to see the numerator. The greater numerator will be the greater one. Okay? The greatest one. And the smaller numerator is the smallest one. So out of now 11 by 18 and 2 by 18. Compare the following like fraction. So which one is greater? 11 by 18. So 11 by 18 is greater than 2 by 18. Yes, children? So here the denominators are same. So which one we have to compare? We have to see the numerator. We'll see the numerator, then we are going to compare. Alright? So 11 by 18 is greater than 2 by 18. Clear? Next, 25 by 31 and 31 by 31. Now, how you are going to compare? These are also like fraction. Yes, this is also like fraction. 25 by 31, 31 by 31. Yes, children? So, denominator is same. This is a like fraction. Now, we have to see numerator. So, comparing 25 by 31 or 31 by 31? 31 by 31. 31 by 31 means what, children? It's a whole. Yes or no? It's a whole. So, which one is greater? 31 by 31. So, clear now? We have done revise. Yes, children? Yes? As we are doing fractions. And under fraction chapter 1, we have learned what about equivalent fractions, about like fractions. And now we are going to do what? Sums based on equivalent fractions and like fractions. Already we have started, we have done. Now we are going to continue. Workbook, the practice questions. Alright, children, I hope it is clear now how to compare like fraction. Yes, children? So now let's start our today's topic. That is workbook practice questions. And we will get this type of sums in practice sums. Okay, children? So let's start.
Everyone refer your workbook, page number 21, right? Practice questions. So I'll start from question number 10. 6, 7. Already I have done 7. 6 you do it as a homework or home practice, you can do it. Right? 8 also, addition of like fraction, you do it as a home practice. Now question number 10. What is given here? Write two fractions, okay, such that one is more than the given fraction and the other is less than the given fraction. Now what you have to find out here? Question is asking what? Write two fractions such that one is more than the given fraction and the other is less than the given fraction. So I will solve it A and B. Okay, students, please watch it carefully. How to do? Watch the video carefully, alright? So what is asking here? You have to write two fractions. Okay, such that one is more than the given fraction. So number A, given fraction is what? 10 by 19. Now you have to write one fraction which is more than this fraction, the given fraction, and one more fraction you have to write which is less than the given fraction. Got it, children? So we will write two fractions. One is more than the given fraction, one is less than the given fraction. So 10 by 19, it is given fraction. Now we will write one fraction that is more than this. So we can write 12 by 19. Yes, which is more than the given fraction. Now we will write another one which is less than the given fraction. So less than given fraction. That means we have to write one fraction which is less than 10 by 19. So we can write 9 by 19. Yes. So we have written two fractions. One is more than the given fraction. One is less than the given fraction. So given fraction is what? 10 by 19. So more than 10 by 19 is 12 by 19 and less than 10 by 19 is 9 by 19. Done? Next come to number B. What is given fraction? 27 by 31. Now we will write one fraction which is more than 27 by 31. So what fraction can we write? 29 by 31, which is more than 27 by 31. And now we will write one less than given fraction. So less than given fraction, we can write 11 by 31. Yes? Understood, children? So this question is asking what? Write two fractions such that one is more than the given fraction and the other is less than the given fraction. So we have completed. Number A, 10 by 19. So we have written one more than given fraction is 12 by 19 and less than one is 9 by 19. Done. Number B, 27 by 31. More than given fraction we have written 29 by 31 and less than given fraction we have written 11 by 31. Clear? Understood, children? And the rest, C and D, you do it as a home practice. As I have shown you how to do, so C and D, you do it by yourself. Right? Now come to question number 14. Write any four like fractions whose denominator is greatest two-digit number. So what is asking in question number 14? Write any four like fractions, okay, whose denominator is the greatest two-digit number. Now children, tell me, what is greatest two-digit number? Yes, so greatest two-digit number is 99. Yes or no? So greatest two-digit number is 99. Now what the question is asking? Write any four like fractions. Like fractions are what? Whose denominators are same. Write any four like fraction whose denominator is the greatest two-digit number. So what we will do? We will take denominator as 99. All the denominators. For four like fractions we are going to write, their denominator should be what? 99. Why? Because here it is written, it's asking, write any four like fraction whose denominator is the greatest two-digit number. Yes, as we know, greatest two-digit number is 99. So we are going to write four like fraction. So we can write 11 by 99. Okay, greatest two-digit number 99. So we have to write 4 like fraction. Then we can write 28 by 99, 33 by 99. Yes, then 18 by 99. So these are all like fractions whose denominator is greatest two-digit number. Got it, children? Yes. See, these are like fraction. Yes, because what? The denominators are same. Yes or no? So denominator is what? Greatest two-digit number. So question asked that. Write any 4 like fraction whose denominator is the greatest two-digit number. So as we know, greatest two-digit number is what? 99. So we have written 4 like fraction. Done? So first we are going to add this. Right? So 2 plus 112. It comes how much, children? 114. Yes, 114 by 112. Now from 114, how much we got by adding? 114 by 112. From this, we are going to subtract 14 by 112 minus 14 by 112. Okay, as this is a like fraction, so we will take 112 as a common denominator, and up the numerator we are going to subtract. So 114 minus 14, it comes how much, children? 114 minus 14, it comes 100. Okay, 100 by 112. So this is the answer. Got it, children? Yes. So in this question, it is a mix of addition and subtraction. First we have to do addition, then we have to do subtraction. Alright, children? Clear? Now I'll show you number B and C, you do it by yourself. Number B, 10 by 26 minus 3 by 26 from 30 by 26. You have to do subtraction. So how you are going to do this? Yes, earlier number A, it has given addition and subtraction. Now number B, only the subtraction. So how you are going to do? 10 by 26 minus 3 by 26 from 30 by 26. So first we will do this part. So 10 minus 3 by 26. Why? Because denominators are same like fraction. So we take 26 as common. So we will subtract what? Numerator. 10 minus 3 by 26 from 30 by 26. Now 10 minus 3 is how much, children? 7. 7 by 26, you have to subtract it from now 30 by 26. Okay, so you will do subtraction now. 30 by 26 minus 7 by 26. So 30 minus 7. We will do subtraction only the numerator because denominators are what? Same. It's a like fraction. So 30 minus 7 is how much? Children, tell me. 30 minus 7, 23. So answer is what? 23 by 26. Got it, children? Answer is what? 23 by 26. So this is how you have to do. So children, kindly you all practice 16 number A and B. Right? You practice it first, then you try to solve it number C. Got it, children? Yes? So children, number 17. So till number 17 today I am going to explain. Okay, and the rest of the questions I'll continue in the next class. Clear, children? And based on this, whatever we have discussed in today's class, I'll give you 2 sums. Okay, kindly you all practice it. And in the next live class, I'm going to ask you that 2 questions. Right? You have to answer me. Clear? So number 17, what is given? Aditya wrote 9 by 41 of a story in January. Okay. He wrote some part of the story in February. He wrote remaining 19 by 41 of the story in March. what part of the story did he write in February? So Aditya's boy, he wrote what story? In the month of January, what fraction of story he wrote? 9/41. Then he wrote some part of the story in the month of February. Then the February month fraction part is not given. He wrote remaining 19/41 of the story in March. March, we know how much he wrote. January also we know how much he wrote. Now what we have to find out, what part of the story did he write in February? That means now we have to calculate what part of the fraction of story did he write in February month. January it is given, March is also given. Now we have to calculate what part of the story did he write in the month of February. Clear? The solution here you see, fraction of part of a story wrote in January. How much? 9/41. Fraction of remaining part of the story wrote in March. How much? 19/41. Now first what we are going to do? We are going to find out the total part of a fraction he wrote in the month of January and March. So fraction of total part Aditya wrote equal to 9/41 plus 19/41. So we are going to add, as this is a like fraction. Why? Because the denominator is same. Okay? So 9 plus 19. How much it will come? 28/41. Got it, children? So in the month of January and March, total part of the story he wrote is how much? 28/41. Now we have to find out what part of the story did he write in February. So how you are going to find out, children? Yes. Total part of the story. Total part of the story. Story will be how much, children? 41/41. It's a whole. Out of this, what part of fraction he wrote in the month of January and March? That is total we have already calculated, 28/41. Yes. Now, what part of the story did he write in February? How you are going to find out? We have to subtract what? 28/41. That is the part of the story written by Aditya in the month of January and March. Right. That part we are going to subtract it from 41/41. That is whole. That is what? Whole. And we will get how much he wrote in the month of February. Okay. So to find out the part of story he wrote in February, we are going to subtract it from the total part of the story. That is 41/41 minus 28/41. Clear, children? So 41, take denominator same, take 41. Then here 41 minus 28. So when you subtract 28 from 41, how much you will get, children? Yes? Tell me. Yes? So 41 minus 28 equal to 13. Okay, so 13/41. So what part of the story did he write in February? So here how much we get? 13/41. Okay, so here we will write, so Aditya wrote 13/41. Okay, so Aditya wrote 13/41 part of story in February. Okay, so Aditya wrote 13/41 part of story in February. Clear? I hope question number 17 is clear to everyone. Yes, children? So, whatever I have discussed with you in our today's class, children, all the questions you practice it. Clear? Got it, children? Yes? Then only it will clear to you all. Right? So, based on this, as already I told you, I'll give you 2 questions. You try, all of you try it. And in the next live class, I'm going to ask you. Clear, children? And these questions, kindly you all note it down in your maths copy. Clear? Thank you.